Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making my favorite dessert, pecan pie. It's real quick and easy. I'm using a frozen crust. It's only 8 ingredients. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 and then we'll get started. Okay, so while the oven's preheating, I'm going to start by cracking 3 eggs into this mixing bowl. I'll whisk those together and I'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. We have the 3 eggs. We're going to mix in ½ cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of corn syrup, one and a half teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of salt, and a little kicker, 2 tablespoons of a good quality bourbon. Okay, now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, we're going to mix this real well. Okay, so all my ingredients are thoroughly combined. We're going to get our previously frozen but thawed pie crust. We're going to line the bottom with another cup of coarsely chopped pecans. Nice and uniformly on bottom. Then we're going to fill with the filling right over top. Okay, make it nice and even. And next we're going to add some pecans to the top to make it nice and decorative. Okay, now time to decorate the top of this. We've put some whole pecans into the rest of this little corn syrup mixture we have here. And now we will decoratively cover the top of this pie as symmetrically as possible. So our pie crust is filled. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go over and get a baking pan that I've left in the oven to preheat. That'll help you brown the bottom of this pie crust. We'll throw it on the baking pan, do it in the oven for 45 to 60 minutes. We'll check it after 45 minutes and see how it is. We want it to be nice and firm and not jiggly at all. So Alexa, set a timer for 45 minutes, and we'll check it then. It's been 45 minutes. Let's check on the pie. Seems to be pretty firm, not too jiggly. Let's put it back in for 5 more minutes, finish it off. It should be done. So it's been another 5 minutes. It's been baking for roughly 50 minutes. Let's take it out. Setting on our cooling rack here. No jiggle. It's firmed up nicely. This will set for probably about 1 hour to 2 hours. Nice and cool, nice and firm. Then be ready to eat. Okay, so the pie's been out of the oven for 2 hours. It's nice and firm. Still warm. I'm going to slice it and plate it and then dig into it.